house. Well, I'm going to attempt to unlock a house. Sometimes it's not successful, but we'll see what happens. I might edit that part out. I'm about to pull up in a black and white cruiser, Locksmith. You call for the locksmith? You call for locksmith?
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not a police officer.
No, my damn.
I'm more like a criminal. I'm a locksmith. They're all crooks.
Right.
Let me look at your front door real quick.
Okay.
I'm just looking at it.
He's just looking at it. Chill out.
Yeah, those security locks. There's a little dot on them. I can't pick them. Have to drill them.
Hi, how you doing?
Hi.
How you doing?
That's a security lock, but I think I could probably bypass it. Let me.
What is a security lock mean?
You see a little dot right there? They're new law from about the last 10 years. They're impossible to pick. I don't know about impossible, but that's what Papa Lock taught me when I worked for Papa Lock. Can we go look at the back door real quick?
It's one of the slider ones.
Let me look at it.
Travis, go take it back there.
Money and there might be shit.
All right.
We got a little shit soon.
That's what my wife said.
I mean, it's...
Let me look at it. I like to look at all my options before I do something.
Right.
So he's got a big dog in there.
Oh, yeah, he might get you. He's about 300 pounds.
Sounds like a tiny dog.
This little shit's about
Yeah, that's what something tiny.
5 pounds of aggression.
This is the first thing Papa Lock taught. I already knew how to pick locks where I worked for. I worked for Papa Lock in 2018 for about 4 years, right through the pandemic.
Oh,
Yeah, I learned how to pick locks when I was a teenager. I'm a magician, and I worked in a magic shop, and they had a lockpicking set for sale, so I read the Chinese directions and figured it out. And it was not that hard to pick deadbolt locks, so I already knew how to do that. This is the first thing Papa Lock taught, the bypass method. I'm going to pump up the door and put a little wedge in there, and it'll probably pop open. It might make a scratch. We'll see what I can do.
Hey, whatever you got, it's alright, because I was like, what the fuck? I didn't even lock it. It's locked on the mattress.
He might have did it subconsciously. You don't know you did it.
I'm not that nuts.
Well, you want it. Whatever.
This is going to be a tough one.
Oh, yeah.
Barely a scratch.
That's perfect. Is it locked?
No, yeah, it's locked. Hold on a second. Let me try something. Oh my God! No, I'm just messing with you.
Damn.
I always do that.
See, that's crazy. Though.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, we get into 55.
Yeah.
Alright.
Plus my tip. Don't forget.
yeah.
I committed 3 misdemeanors to get here that fast. Nobody saw nothing.
You live around here?
Yeah, pretty close. Ranch country. It's on it's Becker Road behind the Sonic.
Okay.
You know Fairfield, all those really nice houses? I'm the next one over. All right.
Appreciate it, dude.
No problem. Thank you.
Yeah.
Did you look me up on Apple or Google?
I just typed it in my maps and
Okay, so probably Google. Who knows? The artificial intelligence kind of combines everything these days. Okay.
Did you unlock it?
yeah.
Did you unlock the front door?
Don't make me charge you twice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
I'm going to text you. Give me a review. I'll text you one of the things you can do.
Hey, I appreciate it.
All right, no problem, guys. You have a good weekend. Another happy customer.